Read this question carefully. We're told that 54 senior students play in the band, 22 senior students are in the choir. If the senior class has 88 students in it, how many students must be in both the band and the choir? We've got 54 of them in the band, 22 of them in the choir. That's only 77 total students, and we've got a total of 88 students. So you could have 54 that are in just the band and 22 that are in just the choir. So 0 have to be in the band and the choir. Now that doesn't mean there aren't some students that are in both the band and the choir, but this is how many must be. This problem looks tricky until you remember to get the numbers out of the words and keep your numbers straight. You've got to keep things organized and straight here. It says that 277 books are up for sale at the school fair, and of these books 122 were nonfiction and 155 were fiction. Now 200 books are paperback and 77 hardcover. If half of the nonfiction books were hardcover, how many fiction books were paperback? Keep your logic straight here. Look what they give you. Half of the books that were nonfiction are hardcover. One half of 122 is 61. That means 61 of them are hardcover and 61 of them are paperback. Well, if 61 are paperback and there are a total of 200 paperback books, 200 minus 61 tells us that the 139 remaining have to be fiction paperbacks, because 61 of them were nonfiction. 200 minus 61 are 139. This problem looks like a nightmare of letters, of S and C and B. It helps to get the numbers out of the words by substituting numbers in for the letters. That way you can kind of wrap your head around it a little bit. We've got S members of the swim team, C members of the chess club. The prom committee has P members, but a school rule prohibits students from being in more than 2 groups. So the prom committee has all members of the swim team and all members of the chess club, but none of the B members who are on both. So which of the following represents the members who are on the prom committee? Let's give it some logic. S swimmers, let's say they're 10 swimmers. And let's say C chess members, they're 15 chess members. And let's say they're 5 on both. Well, 10 minus 5, that tells us there are 5 that are only swimmers. And they're 15 minus 5, they're 10 that are only chess. So our total here is really 10 minus 5 plus 15 minus 5. Well, notice I've got 2 5s in there. So that'd be 10 plus 15 minus 5 minus 5. Putting the letters back in, that's S plus C minus 2 B's. Got to subtract that 5 twice.